baby sister, please?
Where are we, Annika? Are we going to see baby? Yeah, your baby sister? Are you so excited? You love her. You haven't even seen her and you love her. Mama.
You can kiss her on the head. Okay, keep your hands out of her face though. You can kiss her on the head.
Oh, you girls love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's small, isn't she?
Let's take a picture of baby sister. Look at that. Look at the little hat they gave us. See that green hat? Isn't it cute?
Are you excited, girls? You like her? You do too, Kaya? What do you think, Kaya? Okay.
So you can touch your fingers, okay?
Alright. Hey, Annika. What do you think of your sister? What do you think of baby Nisa?
Like me.
You like her? She's beautiful, isn't
She
she?
moves her fingers all the time.
Yeah. Hey, Kaya. What do you think of your new sister? Is that cool?
She's moving her hands. Open her eyes. You can open your eyes when she's sleepy. She's awfully tired.
She says, I'm only 10 hours old right now.
Oh, don't touch your face, honey, okay? We'll wash our hands first.
Alrighty. Good job, girls.
I love her beautiful hair. Yeah. And we got her hair sticking out, doesn't she? Yeah.